Right. There goes 375 626 and 910 from Victoria to Ramsgate that I fortunately just missed because I've only just got here. But welcome to another episode of Trains At. Today we're at Chatham on the Chatham main line, ironically. So today we'll be seeing services by Southeastern and Thameslink. If we turn around behind me, we've got a Faversham service arriving in. I've not checked anything really, I've only checked one service, so I don't know what this is or what the time is. Oh, it's 11:31 from Ramsgate, from St Pancras International to Faversham. So it's 11:31 from St Pancras to Faversham, wet by 395. 395022. Alistair something, I'm not too sure. There she is, off to Ramsgate. So yeah, it's Chatham. I've always neglected this station. I've always tried to avoid it. I hate this station. And it's actually, funny enough, where I was brought up as a kid. I left here like 10 years ago now, but yeah, I've grew up here. Unfortunately, I won't even go into detail about the town, but it's an absolute dive. Never come here. It's horrible. So I always try and avoid this station. But today I was like, you know what? After Rainham, I started to do Chatham, just get it over and done with. It's just one station I've not really done on this line between Faversham and Bromley, really. I've not done Bickley and Sittingbourne yet, so I need to do them too at some point, but got the main one out of the way with Chatham, hence the nickname of the line. And approaching in is 375610, working the 11 something or other. The 11:35 from Dover Priory to London Victoria. I should get her going out in a second. Right, heading off now is 375610 with the 11:30. Oh, God bloody forgot. 11:35, I think it was. Southeastern service from Dover Priory to London Victoria. And behind me is going to be a 700 in a second. Straight into full whack. And away she goes into Fort Pitt Tunnel. The station reminds me of Tunbridge Wells. Got a similar layout, it's just that the curves goes right instead of left. Well, no, at Tunbridge Wells, if you stand here, it does go right, but I think it's a bit tighter, and it's got a bridge at Tunbridge Wells, like across, but it's very similar to Tunbridge Wells. But yeah. Okay, approaching it now is the. Indeed, it is from Luton. Being wet by 700-015. There she is on the 11:35 Thameslink service from Luton to Rainham. Lovely. Okay, approaching now is the 11:40 Thameslink service from Rainham to Luton. Being worked by 700-013 on this one. There she is, I'll get going out in a second. We're heading off now as the 11:40 Thameslink service from Rainham to Luton. Being worked by 700-013. And into Fort Pitt Tunnel she goes. Right, next train will be something mega. Okay, approaching it now is 465932, working the 1144 Southeastern service from London Victoria to Gillingham.
Platform 2 for the 1144 Southeastern service to Gillingham. Calling at Gillingham under
Appreciate them while you can. If only I was here 2 hours earlier, could have filmed 908. Well, ironically I did film 908, but not for a Trains At. If only she went through like in this Trains At, oh that'd be amazing. But yeah, really unexpectedly went on a Gillingham to Grove Park ECS through here when I was here. So I thought I came here for like 10 minutes just to scout the station out, just to see if I really feel like filming here. And I was like, yeah, go on then. But yeah, 908 came through. So yeah, I'll probably post that either at the start of my Rainham video or the start of this video. Yeah, so 908 came through here. So it's not a film like this, so it's like that. So unfortunately, it's a weird sided film, but at least I caught her, and that was my first time ever seeing her as well, funny enough. So. The worst quality ever, and probably didn't hear as much, but sounds amazing. Okay, about to emerge from Fort Pitt Tunnel. It's going to be 375603, working the 1157 Southeastern service from London Victoria to Dover Priory via Faversham. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm not even going to explain the smell I smell right now. Yuck. That's what all that hiss was. I was releasing all the... Ugh. Nah, ugh. That's horrible. Anyway, approaching now is 395026. Working the 1158 Southeastern High Speed service from Faversham to London St Pancras. Bloody hell, the smell coming out of 603 there. Ugh. I had a sniff there to smell if it really was that, and it was that. I was like, might not actually be that, but yeah, it definitely was. So yeah, 395026 is, what does that say? Can't really make it out. I'm going to have to move up a little bit. Ah, it's Mark Woods again. So I saw it at Rainham. Get going out in a second. Alright. Getting ready to depart now is the 1158 Southeastern High Speed service from Faversham to London St Pancras. You work by 395026, Mark Woods. Thank you very much. Away she goes. Thank you very much for the depot, I still appreciate it.
This train has 6 coaches.
And soon to approaching will be 395010 with the 1200 Southeastern service from St Pancras International to Ramsgate, so that'll be the next video. Or 1201 even. And here she comes.
Accessible facilities can be found in the rear coach of the train. Please note, sample the lifts at Faversham are currently out of service.
395010, Duncan, good to you.
At Gillingham, Raynham,
Well, I already said 395010, you Burke.
Faversham, Whitstable, Herne Bay.
There she goes off to Ramsgate via Faversham.
Margate, Broadstairs.
Okay, approaching it now is 375918 and 375916, working a 1202 Southeastern service from Ramsgate to London Victoria.
Platform 2 for the 12:05 Thameslink service to Raynham.
There she is.
Calling at Gillingham and Raynham. This train has 8 coaches.
Right, off goes 918 and 916 with the 1202 Southeastern service from Ramsgate to London Victoria.
Platform 2
And approaching now is 700-042 with the 1205 Thameslink service from Luton to Raynham.
calling at Gillingham and Raynham. This train has 8 coaches.
And as she comes to a stop, I'm going to leave the video there, guys. So thank you very much for watching. Only short and sweet today. Got mostly everything you want to see here. A Dover service, Ramsgate to Victoria service, a few 395s and a 465. So yeah, so got all basically most of the variety here at Chatham, apart from a 377 that we didn't get. But oh well, that's most of the variety here at Chatham. So yeah, my next video is going to be, because I'm actually going away in a few weeks, and unfortunately a plan I was going to do might not work out now, because there's last minute rail replacement that I've just noticed that's made my trip 10 times longer. So I'm staying in Wales, in the north end of Wales, but for where I want to go in Wales back into like England, it's nearly a 3.5 hour journey. Because yeah, I'm actually gonna do a train to Acton Bridge, believe it or not. But unfortunately I don't know if I can do that now, because there's the rail replacement that was last minute. It wasn't there the other day, so it's kind of put me off now. It's just like made the journey way longer to get there. So if not, my next video is going to be, I don't know if I want to do a video, I don't know if my next video is going to be in Wales, at Acton Bridge, a station in Wales, or another station here in the south of England. Be it on the Brighton Main Line, Chatham Main Line, Southeastern Main Line. Just yeah, I'll keep you up. I will post something from my next Trainers App video on where it will be. And yeah, so as she goes, and as actually I need to go because my train's not far off. But yeah, I shall see you guys at, well, wherever my next station will be. It could be in Wales, could be Acton Bridge, if I decide to even go there, if I decide to do that long trek, or it could be a station in Kent. Who knows? Let's see. So yeah, I shall see you guys at the station I decide to do. So yeah, see you guys in my next Trainers App video. Take care.